Hey folks, it's Ben. We're here with our DIY haying project. Showed you how to build the baler box. We're at least a year, if not 2 years, from when I actually built the thing. So how's it going and how do you use it? Okay, so I'll try to do this from afar. The wind is really picking up here, so you might get covered in wind noise, but this is how the process goes. I'll try to be as fast as I can for the still, and then I'll do a time lapse on the end here for you. So I'm going to take my 2 pieces of string and throw them down the bucket. And you can see my 2 loops. I'm going to hook them on screws, pull them up into the little slots there. I'm going to open my door, and as I showed you before, I'm going to just go ahead and click them through our little connections here. Kind of almost do it like flossing your teeth. Then I'm going to run them through our door. While I'm down here, I'm going to bolt the lower bolt, grab this, do the upper C-clamp. We're now ready to load, so I'm going to throw my gloves on, and I got a bunch of hay real close, so we'll just go ahead and cram it right in there. Got about 1 more to go. Grab my little hook. Final squish. Give it a pinch, tighten it off. There's one. Bring up the squisher. Release the deadbolt, release the C-clamp. There you go. Another bale done. Helps when you have all your hay together. You can just loop it in there, or if you got 2 people, 1 person running the baler, another person raking.